To create these perfect circles, each one is not merely a two-dimensional shape, they also possess depth, making them three-dimensional hemispheres. Even today, producing something like this would require advanced machinery, especially considering how each circle features a pronounced ring, a thick circumference surrounding it. The purpose behind this destruction remains a mystery. Did it once convey some form of advanced scientific knowledge, which we have now lost due to this human interference?